Hello, welcome to Shri Tarot. Lalit Nagpur, please have a sharer tag. Pankaj, welcome. People who are new, please like and subscribe the YouTube channel for free questions. I want to know, one sec, Pankaj, I want to know through tarot cards my name, Bangalore, mobile number. I don't know why you post your mobile number here. It's a public, please WhatsApp your concept. About what you're asking exactly. Guys, please share as much as you can to get your answers. Subscribe the YouTube channel. Once I get notification, definitely will give you a card. Lalit, do my lucid dream control energy practice complete 60% out of 100? Yes or no? Okay, can give you yes or no, Lalit. Thank you for sharing. Lalit, I'm here. I will take your questions. I'm waiting people to join. Can you able to hear me? Do my lucid dreaming for Lalit Nagpur. Do my lucid dreaming control energy practice complete at 60% out of 100. Okay, at least you'll get 60%. Let me check. Will you get 60%? No, there is little bit something lagging energy through Lalit. I don't know, you need to work more for this. I don't see 60% for you, but definitely there is a 9 of cups in reverse. You can make this upright. You need to give more time or more things to validate. Okay, thank you, Lalit. Belinda, welcome. Guys, please subscribe and post your questions. I'm doing free readings today. People who want to book your slots for a private reading for 40 minutes session can directly message me through Messenger, Facebook. So I'm planning to do all zodiac signs reading for November first week. So we'll pull one question and one zodiac will do. So we'll start with Aries. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Aries. Belinda, welcome. Resha, good evening. Belinda will pull you after Aries, okay? Let me do for Aries reading for the November first week. Aries. Yes, we'll do all zodiac signs. Please wait. So Aries, through relationship, through family, I'm feeling something there. Something will be next level, but in finance and in your career, I see maybe in coming week there is bit of emotional sadness or something I'm feeling. Maybe the emotions will be up and down. Okay, this is just for finance for you. I'm seeing struggles. Okay, in coming week. So the emperor represents for you as like this may be you, or it might be any elder person in your family. It actually belongs to Aries only. um, so eight of pentacles is telling me working hard on finance, something you have been working at too much, maybe too much dedication is given, then to you're not finding peace or finding some sort of some expected level of money coming in or something like that. But the next week will be little bit slow for you, Aries, through finance. But relationship, I definitely feel there is three of cups where I see maybe a traveling, or there might be some celebrations with the family members, or there will be little bit understanding between partners and in relationship. So next week there might be something, you may be traveling, also planning to travel, Aries. So thank you, Aries. So I'm taking on questions now. So guys, please keep on posting your question. Belinda, are you here? I will give you a card now. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Belinda. Belinda, I see you. You may travel, dear. I see you. You're planning to travel somewhere, maybe this weekend or something like that. I'm feeling so maybe little bit. You're feeling a little bit okay, happy, like you're in your own feet. So somewhat you're feeling happy now, or you're okay to lead your life or something. You're okay to be yourself. This happiness which I'm feeling from your energy is like you're spending time alone for yourself. Okay, so I see you this weekend. Maybe you'll enjoy yourself more. Okay, Belinda, thank you. So Belinda got a card. So let me do Aries is done. So let me do next one is Leo. So for Leo, let me check, okay, for the November 1st week. Guys, welcome to Shri Tarot. Any new persons, if you want energy reading, you can post you need energy reading. So through energies, I'll connect and give you reading. If you like, you can book a slot for a private reading for 30 and 40-minute session. Risha, welcome. So one zodiac sign I'll do, one question I'll pick. Okay, so 12 zodiac signs, 12 questions I'm picking. So keep on posting your questions. Okay, so now Leo, if any Leos are there, please, this is your reading, you can check this. So this will be uploaded in YouTube channel also, you can watch there also. You can like and subscribe. Have a share tag before you post a question. Have a subscription in YouTube channel before you post a question. Okay, thank you guys for being patient. So for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards for Leo for November 1st week. Leo, I see maybe you are very much comfort in your own zone. So I see something you're planning on finance or building something like share market or something like making profit in something like mutual funds or something. I see maybe you're planning to do some other business or extra uh, money income source you're planning to do. I think I see you're creating the foundation. Maybe in coming week, Leos are planning something to create a foundation for long term. Maybe this is related to relationship also. It related to some people in career also. I see career and relationship both also here. So definitely there is a positive change for Leo in coming days. I see for long term this will give you bear fruit for you. So definitely Leos through relationship, what I'm getting is maybe you're very happy, comfort around you, and in business maybe you're planning to do something higher source, something like the extra income or something source of that, like you want to create a foundation first. So this may be for some people a guidance. For few people it may already have plan in their minds about to create a foundation or a business venture, something like that. So maybe some mutual funds or share market or something, win the lottery amount also. Maybe I'm feeling those. Okay Leo, thank you. This is Leo reading. So next question I'm gonna take, guys, post in English. I can take only when you post it in English. Daulat Das, please share. I have a sharer tag. So next question I'll be taking for Rabia Khan. We'll do energy reading, Rabia Khan. So inhale and exhale. Okay. So for Rabia, card for Imran, current feeling for Rabia. Okay, current feeling for Rabia. Rabia, I think soulmate or maybe a twin flame energy is there between you both. I see some sort of any sort of conflicts. Maybe you both will reconcile. I see you both are again still connected each other. Maybe with third parties or missed opportunities, or maybe with a few people around you will be irritating or will be like misguiding you people, like if you listen them. But your two of Imran current feelings is like behind him there is something like third party issues or something bothering him. I don't know, but maybe you both are disconnected, I think, right now. So, or maybe you're not talking each other, I'm feeling, because of so many people involved in this relationship. So sort of kind of I'm feeling the love to true love, but there is little bit of stagnation, something going on because of third parties. So you need to improve your relationship, means you need to be together first, so to be in contact first, something like that. So all the best, Rabia Khan. Guys, please share, post your questions. Until I take your questions, please share and like the live session. So next is Sagittarius I'm doing. So any Sagittarius are here? Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, something shocking coming in your way. I feel it might be, if you be in a patient, definitely I see a positive outcome or positive changes through a negative. It goes through like it should go to head to toe, but I'm feeling that it will only go little bit of side, some sort of side things, like it's just for an example. Like if you want to miss a whole person, it is different kind of situation. But if you miss something like leg or and through some accident, something like that, which will affect you in a bigger manner, that I see it will go through little bit of air, something like that. So maybe just miss type of energy I'm getting this week. So be careful, but don't involve in fights or conflicts in any matters around you. Maybe the next coming week for Sagittarius will be little too high to hold the patient's level. So concentrate on your patient level, increase your stability, increase your mindset to be calm, always to practice meditation. Something I'm feeling that our energy is telling me something shocking gonna happen, but it is in a positive way. If you be calm, when the negative coming, it will turn to positive when you are calm. When you also involve in a negative way, definitely it will lead you to some more fights, indulge you in some negative situations, and that those negative situations will last long. Actually, I see it will last long for you if you don't take right decision now. Okay, Sagittarius. So in relationship also I feel the same. In career, few people will be worrying about their friends, enemies maybe around you, or who maybe where you are employed there. Certain people will be affecting you behind you, so don't involve any things straightly. I see something like next week, coming week, you need to hold on your patience more. You need to work on it. You don't involve yourself in too much of conflicts where I see it will lead you to long term negativity, which will affect your family also through that, and your mindset, your personality will change. So just be patient, do some meditations, or go visit some temples or something where you feel very positive. Okay, thank you, Sagittarius. This is for next week, Sagittarius. Okay, so November first week. So next question, Resha Ram Sarup. Guys, please post your question. Resha, will Abdul see me soon? Resha, please like the live session. Will Abdul see me soon? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me the cards. Definitely, I see he's having a plan to travel. The chariot came out, and I see he's actually planning accordingly. Maybe his conditions there are different. According to his plans, he want to come and see you, but definitely within 6 weeks or 6 months, definitely there is a chance, dear. Okay, maybe it may be even 6 days. Okay, thank you, Resha. So next, we'll go to Earth sign. So I'm going for Taurus now. Let me check on Taurus for next week. Next week reading for Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me for Taurus. What's going on with Taurus? It's a universal message. Okay, for Taurus. Taurus, maybe you're building more enemies next week, or maybe walking out of some relationship or walking out of some situation bothering you. I see something you're thinking. Some people want to create the foundation, want to settle down fast. Few people, Taurus, I'm even feeling Taurus are connected with some Capricorns, Aquarius, Gemini, Cancer, Scorpio, Libra, okay, Leo. But I see it's like increasing your pentacles, increasing your money sector. I'm feeling you're still finding the way for your for year in coming 2002 or 2022. Definitely some career changes coming in your way, Taurus. I see maybe Seven of Cups, like many people talking beyond missed opportunities. I see like maybe you got a job, but you doesn't want to work in that space, or the condition there was not good, or something like that did not suit you or something. Maybe you disconnected with people, you want to suffer, like you are going through alone. So I see the foundation, or maybe you're building up your friends around you, or you're building up some career foundation. Or I see in relationship also there is too much of work done for you in coming week, but definitely there is a growth in your favor. There is whatever you're planning for next week, in coming week, definitely I see changes, positive changes. It will work for you. A Judgment card is telling this is a positive sign and positive card, where it is giving uh, it represents actually with the help of people, with the help around you, the people who are connected around you, friends around you. Definitely they'll help you. If you ask help, they'll give you some thoughts about the plans, or how accordingly you have to plan the things in a certain way. So just indulge yourself, but don't go deep, because they may take advantage of you. I see some people even talk behind your back, so be careful. Okay, so maybe I'm getting for Leo and Taurus the same way of reading for next week. Be careful around you, and be careful the people who don't trust too much. Maybe coming days I see little bit of hurt, stress, related issues. So be careful, Taurus. So thank you, Taurus. So next question, guys, post your question. Dr. Kalayarasan, please share and post your question, sir. So Risha Nilanjana, Rita Bata Batarchia, current feelings for Niranjana Mukherjee. Rita Brata. Okay. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Risha. Risha. His current feelings. Brata Bacharya, current feelings. Dear, I think he's planning long term with you. I think he's planning marriage with you. I think he's planning to be with you. I see a positive changes coming in your relationship. Maybe completely is I feel too much of love here, dear. I really see a lot of positivity about yourself. He's thinking right now. Maybe he's thinking to make a home, keep you safe, or maybe to settle you like Empress. As I told, the card came out as a Empress, Emperor, something like that. I feel he's feeling that everything you only for him right now. The energies are telling me that he feels you in him. Actually, this is different kind of energy now which I'm feeling. It's a true bond, art to art connection, something. It's about art mainly. I'm feeling the heart, what to tell, it is like art connection, more strong art to art connection, maybe soulmate. I think the world card represents completely everything right now is you for him. Whatever you say, whatever you deal with him, whatever you move with him, everything will be you. So I think he respects you, he loves you, he gives you time, he gives you space. I see him is completely indulged with you. Okay, thank you, Risha. So next, I'm planning to do Virgo. Okay, so Virgos, any Virgos are here? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Virgo for next week, November month, November first week reading. Okay, for November first week, Virgo of Pentacles. Rising, Venus, show me for Virgo. Any Virgos are here? So Virgos, I think a lot of responsibilities are coming in your way. I see you may earn little bit of finance which you will be saving that for your long term, or you may be mm, checking it for profit from that. Queen of Pentacles is like some people, some Virgos are being like, I need to set my finance, I need to set my relationship, I need to think about the family, I need to build up my family. But some Virgos are planning on money, some Virgos are planning about the relationship and the life roles. Like they change their roles completely. Sometimes they take too much of responsibilities on it and they worry themselves alone sitting. Why did I take it? With knowing or without knowing, this will affect their way of daily routine. Okay, where they may get stress, where they may get different kind of mood activities will go on, like mood swings. So for Virgos, next week, coming week, I'll see a lot of mood swings for you. Be careful on that, so don't be rash. So a lot of responsibilities are in your way, but definitely I see a long definitely I see long Ace of Cups, where I see a lot of financial stability and lot of family also. You'll be the main role there, or you'll be more respected in a family in a long term basis, definitely for Virgo. So thank you, Virgo. This was your reading. It was wonderful for Virgo this week. So it was very depth reading for Virgo. Actually, it was for a long connection, long term. So guys, post your questions. I'm taking one more question now. Post your questions. Please have a sharer tag and post your questions. So if okay, if I don't get questions, definitely I continue with the other rest of zodiac signs continuously. If you people have questions, you can share, like, and just post your questions. Check on the YouTube channel Tarot Angelic Goddess, which I have pinned below. check on the bio in the description box. Definitely, if anybody wants to book your slot for 30 and 40 minutes depth reading, I do face reading. I'm a clairvoyant, I'm an energy reader, I'm an empath, medium. So experienced professional, 8 years experienced. I'm new to Facebook. Please give us support, please like and share, please go to the YouTube also and subscribe. So let me do Capricorn now for next week. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Capricorn. Please check on your Sun, Moon signs also. Capricorn. Capricorn, I see some communication coming in your way. Maybe relationship will be going to next level. I see some sort of positive communication coming in your way about the job or some opportunities you may get, about some money also, some income I see. But it will be within 8 weeks or 8 days for you. Okay. Temperance card is referring me that you need to be more patient, Capricorn. Hold on your temper. So I see some sort of walking away with some situation with maybe you're losing something and walking away. I see maybe in finance or career something you will lose. You will give money to your friend or something, but you won't get it in return. You may walk away from them. I see you may even some people get health problems in coming days. So health issues I see for them, so be careful, Capricorn. So in relationship what I'm getting is through communication it may go to the next level, definitely. Okay, but justice card or the travel card I see for Capricorn, travel also maybe in coming weeks. Justice also is there. Maybe anything, if you are being worried, definitely for long term, if you have lost the amount, definitely it will come, but it may delay. But I see a process coming in your way, but this is not negative. Okay, this is not getting this Five of Pentacles. Usually people think it is a negative card, but definitely this is a code card which represents letting behind some situations, leaving some toxic energies, leaving some things which is not working for your highest good, leaving it behind. It represents that also. So Temperance card and this card, everything else is positive here, which is major arcana, 2 cards of major arcana and code cards too. So something I'm thinking about 5 and 8 numbers are related to you in amount or something like that, maybe in finance. So check into that. Okay, thank you, Capricorn. Guys, please welcome to Shri Tarot. Post your questions. I have a share tag. If you have any question you can post. This is just a free readings. This is just a small demo. If anybody wants to book the personal slot for a 40 and 30 minutes reading, you can book your slot. I need just your photo, date of birth. You can ask unlimited questions there. Okay, so next we'll go to air sign. So Gemini for Gemini, Sun, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Gemini. What's happening, Gemini? I see too much of overthinking, too much of thoughts going in your head, which is not working you in any, it's not giving you, feeding you in any manner. So certainly relationship or friends around you are good, but some people it's like you can't believe them. So I see Ace of Swords down. From your action you need to deal them. If you keep quiet, definitely this will happen. The Tower card represents something shocking happening or something which will not feed you if you keep them behind you, or if you, it might relate to some situation also, it may relate to some people also around you, which will not feed you for long term. I see maybe missed opportunities, or I see something like um, you're just coming a little bit far and turning back and checking on the way, like till how far I need to walk, till how far I need to survive, like this, something like that you are bothering, Gemini. But I'm thinking, I'm getting through energies that right now you can't make decision, you are in this manner stuck. So Hanged Man represents something like you can't move now. if you have some sort of decision making abilities also, if you get in certain time after resting out, I see you can't move forward. I see lagging energy. I see something not working for you. Maybe this is not right time for you, Gemini. Okay, but certainly don't believe anything. Don't indulge yourself or put anywhere the money and get lost any in a bad way or something like that, in a negative way, which it will give you no no, like it, no benefits from that. So be like, just go in a flow for next week. I don't see any good time coming you for next 3 weeks, Gemini. So be careful. Okay, thank you, Gemini. So next we'll go to Libra. Okay, so questions, who all posted questions is been answered for you all. We'll be uploading the same video into YouTube also. You can check later for your zodiac signs. Please support me in YouTube channel also, guys. Go through my bio. I'm a energy reader, empath, clairvoyant, and medium. So Libra, next for you, Libra. So next week reading for Libra, coming November week. Libras are a wonderful time. I see wonderful spending of time around you, or maybe alone. I see lot of things you're pursuing yourself in a very good way. Maybe you're learning so many things, but the coming days I see lot of positive changes. But whatever you have lost, don't worry on that. Rest what is remaining, keep to all, keep those for long term. Okay, it will give you little bit benefits. I think you need to travel to upgrade your knowledge, to update your level of how you are surviving right now. You need to update those. I'm feeling something about update through your energies. So whatever you have lost, leave it behind, create a new foundation. Okay, Libra, I feel maybe everything whatever you are missed, don't worry on that. Right now what is there, maybe if you have 3 people with you or 5 people with you, 2 people already went far from you, disconnected from sort of your energies, or which they didn't relate, or they were not good to you, something like that. Maybe you alone standing, it is okay to be like that, but definitely other 2 peoples will come behind you once they know about you completely, once they trust you. It's like people who like you definitely will be with you. It's like that. Okay, for Libra I see a lot of leaving behind situations. Okay, so coming weeks you need to create a new foundation for living sake, for surviving sake. Maybe you need to update your knowledge, more knowledge, which will benefit you for new beginnings, for new support, for new foundation. Okay, Libra. So this is what I got for long term. I see the world card. Definitely this is a positive reading. Okay, when you go through guidance, definitely there is a positive change coming in your way, Libra. So guys, please post your questions. I'll be there another 5 to 10 minutes. Post your questions. I have a sharer tag. Please support to the YouTube channel and like, share, subscribe. I have pinned the YouTube channel in the comment box in down. I have pinned. So let me check now for Aquarius. So any Aquarius are here? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Show me the cards for Aquarius. Check on your moon signs before you listen to this. It's a universal reading. It is a collective reading. Okay, so Aquarius, I see nothing is moving forward for you. Maybe with very slow. It's like alt move, something like that. Definitely I see living behind situations for you also. Maybe you are related with some Gemini or Leo or a Taurus or a Capricorn. But Five of Pentacles is telling me that issues with third parties also, it might be. Maybe you're dealing with so many people at one time. It is not giving you a positive outcome in that. So I see some sort of connections you will lose, you will gain new. So I see but definitely now nothing is working for you. Maybe you lost something, but definitely for long term I see a positive change. You have to actually do a transform yourself. You need to transform from inside yourself. Nobody will help you to transform yourself. You need to just go through the situation. It's like karma for you. You need to deal in that way, that path. After coming out of that zone, definitely there is a transition for you. There you'll see a lot of positive changes coming in your way. But I see a lot of people worrying about your finance in Aquarius. I'm feeling you're planning about finance, like every pentacles of every penny you're being curving that very hard way in your hard days. So definitely more what I can give you is this week I see little bit slow for you. Next 5 days, next it might be 5 weeks also for some people. But it's a collective reading. For few Aquarius I feel there is a happy family, happy marriage, somebody will be marrying, they have marriage plans or something like that. But few Aquarius I see little bit slow in finance. Career I think slow this time. For career building, Aquarius have little bit slow process. Okay, so deal with that. Just go in a flow, don't overreact. Just go in a smooth way where it will lead you to a future. So it will be a normal for you, because whatever you are facing, if you don't take hypertension or something like that, definitely it will be normal to you. Like you will learn it. Actually you will learn it, you will start to deal with it, then it will be normal for you. It is just a starting problem, that's all. Each individual has this have a capacity of dealing with all sort of problems. Any things women or men can deal. They can control, they can struggle, they can come out of it very easily once they actually face that. You have to face the problems directly. Okay, thank you Aquarius. So let me go through. Last is water signs. So let me go through Cancer. Cancer, what is there for you, what is coming for you? Cancer, I see there might be some enemies around you, there might be some silence around you, there might be even silence in you in coming week. Suddenly you will keep quiet, or suddenly you won't interact with anybody. I see that sudden I don't know, sudden changes or sudden silence, sudden disconnections. Maybe something you're thinking to travel, something did not give you a much benefit on that, or maybe you're changing plan again. Maybe you could not travel, maybe something is not working you working for you this maybe till December. I feel this. Maybe there is not right time for you to travel now, Cancer. But if anybody is planning to go for higher studies abroad, something like that, for working also, I definitely see little bit lagging energy only for Cancer. But it's like leaving behind everything, how to go. That is one reason. And maybe apart from that, few family problems. Maybe family people will not let you to go or something like that. I'm feeling the Cups energies are like behind, you're alone moving forward. You need to go because it's your dream, it's your passion. So that is what I'm feeling for Cancer. But definitely Five of Pentacles is like it's just a delay. Definitely if somebody is planning about job, career, studies abroad, or moving somewhere to settle down, definitely there is a changes coming in your way. Ace of Swords. Maybe in next year, next year I see changes for you. This till November, December I see little bit lagging energy only for you. Maybe some people will not trust you, won't believe you, or maybe you don't speak to them. Because of that there might be what to tell, disconnections between you both. Like in a family it might be little bit more silence apart, like apart from normal days it might be more silence in coming weeks. So thank you Cancer. So next is Scorpio. So let me do Scorpio now. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, show me Scorpio. What is coming for Scorpio? Scorpio, somewhere the amount you have given is not coming. Maybe you need to give to somebody or something like that. I don't see you giving. You're planning to give. There is a plan to give, but you're not having so much of amount, or maybe there is no no certain amount to give to them. Right now I'm feeling it delays to pay them back. Whatever you had from them, it delays to pay them back. So people, Scorpio, money giving and taking, I see lot of things happening for Scorpio this week and coming weeks. So you need to work little bit hard, little more hard to earn more amount. I see extra options you have to earn. If you indulge yourself with other two party and third party, definitely with your friends partnership job or something like part-time job, definitely you can earn extra amount where you can give them, pay back them. So see, same I'm getting. So this reading will be only on finance for Scorpio this week. I don't know. It's like burden for them. It's like a burden in their head. How to earn so much of payment, how to pay back the loans, might be the interest, might be. So definitely, I see you're involved with Leos. You're involved with Virgos. You're involved with air signs also. Here I'm seeing water, air. So definitely I see a lot of things happening within 7 weeks. Maybe you'll fix things yourself. Too much of worries will give you too much of health issues, health problems, and lack of sleep, I see. Okay, so be careful, Cancer. So this is your next week reading. So last and final is Pisces. Any Pisces are here? Pisces are planning for long-term plans. They're like right now they're settled a bit settled, like they have their own responsibilities, but there is something like a routine for them. Definitely they should wake up, they should work hard for their job, for their salary. I see it's like a routine for them for surviving sake. But definitely for long term I see savings for them, for family, or for building house or something like that, putting somewhere the amount and getting lot of interest, or having little bit extra celebrations, maybe buying a new home, building a new home, something like that. Pisces are like, I'm feeling some energy is like searching home, but definitely I see you will get within 10 months, within next 10 months, buying home or searching home or something like that. Death card represents a transformation in coming your way, where I see you don't even try to take everything behind you. drop your baggage drop your baggage, just move forward with empty hand. Okay, where I see new beginnings for you. When you take the last past energies, definitely if the energies come with you, definitely there will be a positive changes also will turn into negative changes for Pisces. So I see for long term, definitely there is lot of plans for you, but you're still not getting support, or you're still not getting some sort of um, some sort of what to tell people, like not trusting you or supporting you for the on that. It might be about money matters, where you need to like it's like for a business purpose or something like that. If you are planning, nobody believes you or something, like what business it might be, like how to move on with decisions, maybe that sort of worries you have. But definitely whatever you're planning, maybe you have options, but go through it carefully. Indulge yourself in a right way, where you can have a wonderful or a positive income source for a long term. But definitely you're too much working hard for long term, thinking about long term. Definitely I see something after some sort of time. It is like you need to come out of that zone right now, where your mindset is like bit stubborn. I feel stubborn energy, Pisces. I feel like you're settled there. You need to come out, you have to explore more, you need to come out, just travel a world first, travel around you first. So I see extra knowledge, extra things, extra ideas, knowledge you may get where you can indulge yourself for long term. But now don't go into any money matters, or don't do any sort of extra borrowings or something like that on finance or some anything else around you, because I don't see you giving sort of interest back to them. So it might be little bit misunderstanding on that. So carefully you have to move forward, Pisces. So thank you, Pisces. Anybody else need a reading, need a post, you need to post your question for readings. So this is all 12 zodiac signs for the first week November reading. So if anybody interested to have a personal slot booking with me for 30 and 40 minute session, I need your photo and date of birth. So we'll do spiritual challenging also. We'll talk to spirits, we'll channel the message. I am a mediator between any dead person or in your house. I am a mediator between you both. So I'll be getting sort of energy readings through that. I'm a clairvoyant, energy reader, empath, medium. So I'm doing it from past 8 years. I'm new to Facebook and YouTube. I need people support here. Please like and subscribe. I'll be posting this same video to YouTube, so please support me there also. And if your zodiac sign resonates to you, please comment, give me more encouragement. I need this. Thank you, guys, for being patient, being here. Love you all. Bye.